Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and parents. Hope you will be fine. This is English teacher. Welcome to the IRCM online classes. It's time to English reading. So take out your English reading books first. Open up page number 16. Unit number 12. Here we have concept of this and these. Concept of this and these. First, I'm going to read the statement. We use these for the objects that are more than one. We use these for the objects that are more than one. Mean हम these उस वक्त यूज़ करते हैं जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट कोई चीज़ एक से ज़्यादा हो. लाइक ये दिस का प्लूरल है, राइट. दिस इज़ used for singular object and these is used for plural objects. Then one and they are near to us. Yes, it means these उस वक्त यूज़ किया जाता है जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट वंस यानी एक से ज़्यादा हो और जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे करीब हो, हमारे पास हो. So listen, look and read carefully. Here we have sentences. The first one is, this is a rat. You can see a boy is standing and he's saying this is the rat because you can see the rat is near to the boy. The next one is, this is a cup. This is a cup. You can see the cup is near to the boy, so he used this. This is a book. This is a duck. This is a ring. Okay, students, you can see the other side we have more than one objects, and now we are going to do the practice of these. These are rats. These are cups. These are books. These are ducks. These are rings. We use these for plural objects. You can see the objects are more than one. So this is our reading practice and it's time to writing task. So take out your English workbooks. Okay, students, open up page number 38, period number 31. This is our classwork. Mention date and day. And the topic is use of this and these. The topic is same as we did practice in our reading books. Let's start. Begin your work with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and finish saying Alhamdulillah. I'm going to read the statement, so listen carefully. Make sentences using this or these. Make sentences using this or these. We use this for singular objects. We use this for singular objects and we use these for plural objects. Okay, let's start writing. Here is an example. This is a rat. This is a rat. And the next one, this is a cup. Follow the instructions. This is a cup. T-H-I-S. This is a cup. Give a full stop after completing the sentence. The next one is, this is a book. T-H-I-S. This is a book. This is a book. The next one, this is a duck. The duck is singular and near to us, so we use this. This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Okay, students. Now we are going to do practice of these. Here we have some more than objects. So let's start the practice of these. T-H-E-S-E. These. A-R-E-R. These are cups. C-U-P-S. Cups. These are books. T-H-E-S-E. These are books. Follow the writing pattern. The next one, these are ducks. T-H-E-S-E. These are ducks. D U C K S. Add S with plural objects. Okay, student, this is our practice of this and these. Now, come on the revision of dictation words. This number 5. It's gonna repeat again. The first one is chin and the second one is lunch. Chin and lunch. Okay, students, come on the page number 39, and this is your homework, and you have to do it yourself with the help of page number 38, because the topic is as same as you did practice in page number 38, because the topic is use of this and these, and you have to do more practice. So take much care of yourself. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.